The world's population is growing steadily. Approximately 7 billion people are living on Earth right now. There are about 1.5 billion hectares of agricultural land. Hence, there's an agriculture area about the size of 1/3 of a football field in order to supply every human being with food. It is expected that 9 billion people will be living on Earth in 2050, whilst the available agricultural land is going to decrease to roughly 1.35 billion hectares. Per capita, this is equivalent to a surface area reduction of approximately 30%. What options do we have to feed the world's growing population? In the future, it will be necessary to use the existing agricultural land more efficiently. This is the only way we can secure the world's food supply. There are various approaches to this end, which supplement each other in sustainable agriculture. These function in a way comparable to several keys that fit into one lock. Efficient plant breeding, careful plant protection, and modern agricultural engineering are essential conditions for rich crops. But only a balanced fertilization will supply the soil with the nutrients needed for plant growth. Why is balanced fertilization so important? Plants absorb nutrients from the soil as they grow. These nutrients are then no longer available to successive plant generations. If crops are deficient in anything, they cannot grow properly. Appropriate fertilization can compensate for the loss of nutrients in soil and supply the plants with the optimum level of nutrients. How do I know what the soil and the plants need? K+S KALI GmbH is a leading international manufacturer of potassium and magnesium-based fertilizers. These fertilizers are adjusted to the special requirements of both the soil and the growing plants. K+S KALI GmbH analyzes the concentrations of nutrients contained in various soil types and determines the nutrient requirements of plants through a series of trials. KALI employees convey this knowledge to growers and advisors. What are the advantages of fertilizers from K+S KALI GmbH? The nutrient composition of the products manufactured by K+S KALI GmbH is designed to meet actual demands and therefore allows for an optimum uptake of nutrients by plants. This optimum nutrient supply makes the plants healthier and more productive. Take rapeseed as an example. Magnesium and sulfur are important to obtain high oil concentrations and therefore better overall yields. In addition, the plants also receive high concentrations of potassium, which make them hardy and regulate the water balance within the plants. Fertilizers manufactured by K+S KALI GmbH thus reduce drought stress and save water. They are indispensable for soil fertility and account for good yields. This feature is also displayed by the production of rapeseed oil. Approximately 1,300 liters of rapeseed oil can be obtained per hectare without providing an optimum nutrient supply. With the right kind of fertilization, approximately 1,700 liters of rapeseed oil per hectare can be produced. Where do the fertilizers of K+S KALI GmbH come from? Natural raw materials form the basis of the products. These are excavated in mines and then processed further into finished fertilizers. Supplying the world with food is a great challenge for the future. Yields can be increased as is necessary by means of an optimum supply of nutrients. K+S KALI GmbH supplies the fertilizers today for the challenges of tomorrow and thus makes a vital contribution to safeguarding the global supply of food.